Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to be talking about how to extend the life of your LED tail lights. Recently I have purchased this LED tail lights for my Honda Dio. These lights are great because they consume less power and gives out more light. If you want to get the most out of your LED lights, it's really important to take care of them, and one of the best ways to do this is to keep it cool by using a heat sink. But as you can see, they have already provided metallic body to dissipate heat, but unfortunately this isn't enough to keep these LEDs cool. The main reason why these LEDs fail is because of overheating. This LED brake light has two modes. The first one is running light mode and the second one is brake light mode. When I was doing some random experiments, I noticed while in running mode, it consumes about 1.2 watt of power and the built-in heatsink gets little warm, nothing serious. But when the brake light comes on, it consumes about 4.8 watts of power, generating a lot of heat. Just within a minute, it will get so warm and so hot that you can't even touch the body of this LED light. So technically, if you hit your brakes for more than a minute, it will get undesirably hot, and if that heat is not dissipated properly, it can damage these LEDs and shorten its lifespan. A heatsink helps to transfer the heat away from the LEDs and into the surrounding air. This helps to keep the LEDs cool and extend its lifespan. So I have installed a little heatsink using some thermal glue over the top of the LED light and repeated my experiment once again. Regarding it was consuming about 4.8 watts of power, the LED and the body remained a lot cooler as my little heatsink was helping a lot in dissipating the heat. Yes, I know some people will say it's not a proper way to install a heatsink, but hey, it's working just fine for me, and that's what really matters. As you can see, it's almost 2 minutes now and I'm holding this LED light in my hand without burning myself. Well, as you can see, I have installed my so-called modified LED tail lamp on my Honda Dio, and the light output is really great as compared to stock halogen bulb. Since over a month I'm using this modified LED setup and it's working pretty much fine. If anybody is interested in buying these LED tail lamps or heat sinks which I have used in this video, I have provided the Amazon buying links down in the video description. Also, I have installed these HJG or HJG whatever auxiliary lights on my Honda Dio, and these lights are just amazing. If I get 100 likes on this video, I will make a dedicated video on that as well. So this is how you can really extend the lifespan of your LED tail lamps by keeping them cool. I hope this video was informative and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. So that's it for now guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, have a great day, take care and bye bye.